What's up, Visionaries? Welcome to the first session of Vsnry at Home. My name is Steven and I'm the founder and the head barista of Vsnry Cafe.
Pull it an item, turn to a foot on the table. Pull it a clue, my life is new fatal. Pull it a weapon, your life is in danger. Vow with a repo, vow with a keyboard. Oh, hell, God, particle, make a miracle. Put me on a pedestal, express my
Vsnry at Home was conceptualized during this quarantine period because our customer cannot come here, but we still want them to have a Vsnry coffee experience at home. So today, I'm gonna share to you one of our best-selling coffee cocktails, which is the Cold Brew Martini. Cold Brew Martini was basically inspired by a classic cocktail named Espresso Martini. We use cold brew coffee in replacement of espresso because we believe that cold brew coffee is more sweeter, more smoother, less concentrated. That's why it's easier to drink. Before we get started, let me share to you a brief history about Espresso Martini. Espresso Martini was first introduced by a British bartender named Dick Bradsell when one of his guests asked him to create a beverage that can wake her up at the same time, fuck her up. That's why he came up with this recipe. First things first, you need to prepare the ingredients. We only need 4 simple ingredients. First, we need a sweet syrup. You can use a simple syrup. You can use honey or even caramel. But here at Vsnry, we use muscovado syrup because we like its coconut flavor. So this is just 1 part of muscovado brown sugar and 1 part of water. We add some vanilla just to have a little bit complexity. You also need a vodka. You can use any other vodka that is available in your market or available at your home. But we decide to use Smirnoff vodka because of its subtle pepper and charcoal flavor. You also need a coffee liqueur. You can use any coffee liqueur that is available. You can also make your own. There's a bunch of recipes in YouTube. This is just a combination of rum, vanilla, sugar, and coffee. Last but not the least, cold brew coffee. So I'm using our silky black cold brew. How we made it, we just steep a coarsely ground coffee into a cold filtered water for 24 hours. Right, this coffee is laid back blend. It's a combination of Brazil and Ethiopia. It has a chocolate and fruity notes. Let's get it on. To make this coffee cocktail, we need 10 milliliters of sweet syrup, (30 milliliters or 1 ounce of vodka, (30 milliliters or 1 ounce of coffee liqueur, and of course our silky black cold brew coffee, 4 ounces. Add some ice. Don't forget to lock it properly. There's a lot of liquid inside. You don't want to mess it up. Give it a hard shake around 10 seconds to create a smooth, silky, and nice froth. There you go. Double strain to get rid of those ice fragments. Garnish it with 3 coffee beans to form a petal formation. And there you go. A Vsnry Cold Brew Martini. Enjoy.
Pull out an item, turn to a foot on the table. Pull out a clue, my life is new fatal. Pull out a weapon, your life is in danger. Vow with a repo, vow with a keeper. Oh, hell, God.
See you at the next session of Vsnry at Home. Don't forget to hit the bell button below and subscribe.
Stuck on the quicksand, reaching for villain. Hand on the peace sign. Something is showing with a deep sign. Something is showing with a deep side. I'm not a day side, but a G on a base side. Don't test me, I'm down for a fist fight. But fuck that, need more rally on my side. Deals on my eyes got dry, for when I climb on my end.